Hi everyone, this is David Mueller from Monetary Ocean, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my view data layout for Tactical Arbitrage. So if you guys don't know what Tactical Arbitrage is, really quickly, it is a program that allows you to scan retail websites including Walmart, Target, Costco, and there's over 1,000 US suppliers that you can search from, and it compares those prices to the prices on Amazon. There's a lot of other functionality, but that is the basic way this product works. So the program works by allowing you to select different websites and running scans on the entire category that you choose. Once you go through that scan, you're presented with a list of all the potential items that you can sell if you have any, and the way you display them can either make or break the speed in which you actually get through these. So when you're actually going through these data lists, they can be very, very long at times. So you want to be able to get through them very quickly and efficiently so that you can churn through these sheets without spending too much time. So this is a actually ongoing scan, but it'll do for this example. So the way I have mine laid out is as follows, so you guys can see the title or the categories and columns that I have currently. The one thing I've added very recently, which made a humongous difference in the speed in which that I go through this list, is the history chart. So this is just right off the bat a Keepa chart or a sales rank chart that shows buy box and Amazon prices. This will pretty much indicate to me if this product is worth even looking at, worth even opening up. So if I can see consistent sales, preferably that Amazon is not always on the listing, I will go ahead and open up and proceed into my next stages of looking for my product. The way I have it laid out, I like to see the Amazon buy box over here, the return after fees, the price, which actually live update right here. I'm going to have the price right next to this. I've been through all these products and they're unfortunately not profitable. One of the things that I like to have laid out is this section right here, the Amazon image, Amazon title, and product image. The order of this doesn't necessarily matter, but for me, I like to have these together regardless of how they're laid out, because I can see the images compared, and that will indicate to me if I should even proceed into looking at this product. So what I look at first is, like I said, the history chart. Second thing I look at is the images. If the images are a match, okay, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go into check restriction, and this will tell me if I can actually sell the product. If it's a good news or if it allows me to request, then I'm going to go into it. If not, then that is how it goes. I usually sort by ROI first. Don't ask me why, I just prefer to sort it that way. But I like to see products that will give me the best return on my money first. So the name of the game in this is to get through these lists quickly and efficiently, like I already said. So I'm pretty much only looking at what's on my screen at all times. So that's why I have the most critical information that I can possibly get. The other information will be relevant further on in the process, but I can find that information on the actual Amazon page. So I'm not concerned with seeing it in my Tactical Arbitrage layout. I have the gross ROI and the gross profit. This will give me an indicator of, how profitable this item will be. And the last two items on my screen are one of the more important things. This is the third thing that I will actually look at before diving in and doing more research on if a product will be worth purchasing. And that is the Amazon UPC/EAN matching with the product itself, UPCEAN. So this tells me, okay, this product is a match. If this is green, that means the product is a match. If it has no information, no UPC or anything, it'll be red with no information here. Or if Amazon's is different than the one on the website, this will also be red with Amazon's version of the UPCEAN. So this doesn't always necessarily indicate the products are not the same, but it is a strong indicator that they are different. I'd like to also point out, if this item on Amazon is sold as a bundle, it more than likely won't show up as a UPC match. Sometimes the either Amazon or the supplier will not have the UPC in their website, so it won't come up as a match. But if the images are different and the match is not the same, you can already tell this is not going to be a good product. Everyone, this is my layout for Tactical Arbitrage view data. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will respond to them. If you want direct access to me, please message me on Instagram at Monetary Ocean. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, guys, this is David Mueller at Monetary Ocean. Don't wait, dive in.